How to add AdSense code to WordPress in 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how can you add AdSense code to WordPress in 2025. So let's jump right into the video. So first of all, you have to create AdSense account and connect to website. So you need to sign up for Google AdSense account, click Get Started and fill the required fields and required fields. Next, you will have to connect AdSense with your WordPress site through this step. So on the connect your site to AdSense page, there's a set of code which you should print to your site's header. Remember, only copy the code and don't click done. Avoid closing the pages as well. As you can see, you have to connect your site to AdSense. It's as easy as copying and pasting. So copy the code below and paste it into the HTML and check the box and click done when you finish. So first of all, you have to enter your WordPress admin dashboard, then click appearances and then theme editor, then choose theme header in the theme file sections, insert the code just above the head tag and select update file, go back to the AdSense page, tick on the I've pasted the code into my site checkbox and press done. A dialog box will pop up to tell you that your account approval is in progress and click got it. And after that, you can insert add unit, wait for the account activation process. You'll receive an email after your site has been reviewed. Once your account is approved, you can start creating ad units. Access that at the dashboard and click on my ads in the left sidebar, navigate to content, add units and click the new add unit button. Pick the ad type as an example. Let's choose text and display ads and customize the necessary settings and make it suitable for your website design. So that's how you can add AdSense code to WordPress in 2025. See you on the next video.